Addo buy no. And I say okay. Basing with them. No pion ko or the abuga pele ne dikai no or sanko fogum. Na and this in penny for e wo kroma na mafia o matna plane o mandane. Kopa blue chatna. Yeshase SML. Yeshase JJ. Yeshase JJ. Yeshase JJ. Yeshase JJ. Corruption in some yanti kroma ha. Ena enyansafo nso sedan John Mahamadu Bawumia edi me kwa no de to wo Domelevo Remonata okujeto wan to eto to sa say a friend oral operation recover all loot. NDC, we are weak. We are weak. But yet, now we are weak. We are there already. Leadership, we will change the narrative. We are weak. Mafia, oral, dead down, we are young. They're quite in answer. Yeah, you know. As I said, you know, the wheels of the law grind slowly, but it will definitely get to its destination. The Mahamadu Shah's year 2014, when we not the court 2016, Akufo Addo so it's about grinding him slowly. Now getting him. Say nkwadanke tenketena no omotina omadi 16 17 for no 2021 for no they know say the NDC ye no they da wo ye say enipa we wafa we wasisa we okoshe ha we okotwe we the youth are watching NDC we are weak by ya mamu nkoso Mafia sese ya womi ministers are edi Akonya Akufo Addo time na Auditor General's report ato omoto bebre forensic audit ato omoto bebre omoto ho no mo negotiate. I'm telling you today they are negotiating. And omotata innocent people mo council of state in your voter region why am I do something into a case this one not only later krata and the command Ghana Police Service response from your copy. Council of State in no voter region. Why they? My council said we were audios. Me na me moyo na mebo. Me na me moyo mebo. When we live kwa Kwabena do boy so. Why am I me? Iyo kwa na kasa trokrata Koma signals bureau penny or two says your NDC no I say the be boni bi ansi ho krata no me wo copy ba wo dia kware Sputnik V edi hu ante say Sputnik V COVID the ba ye Sputnik V our health ministry Kwaku Annan ma yeti asiase enipa no te Kojo International Airport and your friend Accra International Airport Ojiji COVID husika no onu oye minister onimu no ade achiya no abeka chese sa contract no all sign no onimu de ba ne so Ghana ya bobo badam Onimu de ba ne suntia o sign sa contract no next say biribi wo ma enye Kweku Annan menu te ho men can so nkodabo that is not what I'm saying But I'm talking about the things that transpired. But when Kweku Agyapong Finance Ministry, Ekwakra, vaccine a expire, Edra, Asay, Ebasa, and found Ghana for Sammy Pano, and NDC for we week, more tata, more council of state chairman, our vote challenge, and a Kwabena Dubois, we are mad too much. NDC, Mujai Suno, share. Akwato free ne mafia e ka kire Ghana for say fertilizer na ye de ma akuafo no e metaphorical fertilizer na ye de ma akuafo e de ye adwuma no abeya metaphor ase wo ho ase ni ho metaphorical. Fertilizer bags maku 100,000. Fertilizer bag waku mienu 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000 bags of some. Your friend say fertilizer. Akoto fertilizer no here. I say frumu me. And then I was sane ma home eh. E frum pokwa sesa fertilizer ni na Afri Ghana e de ko Burkina. NDC, we weak. By ants now, we weak. Say no, on one in a hole. Kwabena Agyapong, Muamu Council of State Chairman. And a Mujin and he say, I say now support here, fear. Say you support here, fear. Say I say support him, Mareta. Sure. Yet was a Ghana for yet to what me quoting a daily graphic publish it Adanya Abanya for $230 million. Yet the acquired day, yes, Canaba, money $230 million for the JB said the could be Nima to Emu. And meant you could be Nima. The acquired skyscrapers
of morning shows.
Nanima got an Akra team. Sa sikana yasi yade kwa yasi ka yasi krepano away. Yeah, NDC we are weak.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Yet wasa yeti kroibi. Potholes in the name. One naman kaya na dwa bra. Munjai suno.
He is smart.
Efi yan kresu. Na mabu esu. Na julo zabra susu.
Captain Smart.
Forgive us. We will not forgive anybody. Yet kroyi musane ya katre ya say. Train. Any takrade train any go mo atechman na mo no ya kwenye sika ye benya sika na ye benya sika china ye be pe o basi na ni
Captain Smart
ye ntibi anya kwan anti gwotemu onkran na ye see ye wo sika ye dan ya see ye di train e be fa wiem the friend is sky train. Hey, NDC, we are weak. Mafia, prison service about prisoners now when you become from Montremuma to do a massive, but also with the train, about the ferrium, yet to cry him, train never ferrium china. Otum for Daria Kojina bus train station, Otum for train, about ferrium, Yura quatrain train, and I'm na ye regional station was am can cross any more can send him kwai can send stew the cutting kwai otum for cutting kwai producer otum for cutting kwai video na bomam otum for cutting kwai kura no
Captain Smart
mama for
the king of morning
na ebe fa wiem no train na ma one way this side the end bar some money train Peter, these guys are walking freely on the streets of Accra. Abutrika.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
Abutrika.
Captain Smart.
Okay. Abutrika. And I'm watching on NBC. We are weak. Okay. Clients now, I'm weak. Okay. And I'm on your chance and tamo. Okay. Mafia, yet it was you see, Obia Quakra dictionary. Hey, I don't know. Macmillan. As of man for matching. Bibini, oh, Bibini and Nipo. Dictionary, oh, Sika, oh, on an from her. What can I say so when you need? Wait, and see, hey, sir, when you need. You never forgot the security enemy. Yet, what? Ah, that then, you see me be by a friend National Cathedral. Me too, Miss Cement. Wait, as we hear Miss Swan, so grandma, Mamma, I'm a so cement. The Core National Cathedral. I did that way at $350 million. Sato Pro way at that way. Now you are so one penny for Kwaku Mama catch and say, leave the National Cathedral issues alone. And yes, I will turn the church against you. John, we are weak. John, we are weak. Now, the giant National Cathedral issues, no. Ato. Hey, yeah, what? Peter, na Amari power plant na. John Mahama Kofa Free Turkey. Ediba Ghana. Andrew $20 million, no. NAPO atom the same machine. So the cook masia or say lorry fair. 10.8. Lorry fair. Sika wa modi fa Mary plant na free crying. E dia cook masano. $35 million. Na mom wa mo nam kwan mu kwa o mbeto ade e friend Miss Lenos. Omutu Linda do. O majina Linda do edidi. Very akrantieti. Beto mo adi. Enti sika ya di beto aduane adi ni niam Miss Lenos. E wo kwan mu no. Enu kwa $3 million. Enti Ameri power plant na ye tam free crying. E di cook masano. E ye $38 million. NDC mu ye weak.
Bang Kenya, Mama Biye, Double Kenya. Hey,
we are weak. Yet, what's our vice president? The friend Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Your Excellency, good morning. With all due respect. And Anna, that was a rubbish statement. Your Excellency, good morning. How are you, sir? I know we're doing so well. You and your beautiful Samira. Now, Papa, ya kwatna sampa 94.1. Now, I kwatna ho. Asame no ka. I was saying, if you mra Kwame Nkrumah ye Ghana, project be a mass assist west so chain for a lugu dam. Na eno ena producer pesa video ka ho. Video number 5.
I want a big gap.
I Bawumia for lugu. Na a signature project. Maybe your president, Obi Kroya president and Kamechino.
I want a big gap. I want a big gap.
Make sure I said that. But I from make sure I say.
If you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose.
Because Obi, I'm a prosecutional witness. And I'm what? But the other say because you want to be a kind. NDC, we are weak. Na ya tikroma. Na J. Kufu Rollins, the National Reconciliation Commission.
Wait.
Yet drama, Nanado, Kuku John Dramani Mahama, and Nico, Office of the Special Prosecutor, any charge.
Someone here.
NDC, we are weak. And to say John Mahama call Office of the Special Prosecutor. Let's say John Mahama when the president in Pope or Kosraja. Bawumia the vice president or no Kosraja ye. NDC, we are weak.
Namin Chicano. Uncle baby, I see a call.
We are weak. Bayan Trahomon Kosunya wiki sada. Mamma be an engine say, yeah, 2027, 2028, yeah, prosecution, about witch hunting.
Uchu which what the yaka?
Now, I get you sorry. Yes, say NAPO alugu dam no grade the crown kwasa asem so nko grade. Enti $12 million na Bawumia kan no na wo hen.
Mom Mestiano. Na me
kan yo. Or your vice president.
Uncle baby, I see a call.
And then on the number of Pekatri. Bawumia driver.
Mom Mestiano.
See me say mo be for.
Mom
Bawumia open F150 and I say open. Okay, more 2016 Land Cruiser and a fiber. And I'm a moetry.
Mom Mestiano.
Uncle was not better on the bottom of Uncle.
Namin Chicano. Uncle baby, I see a call. Mom Mestiano.
NDC, really? Really? Anyway, Sue. A free yankra Kube. Wakosu Kube. Kube walk from her new Tangana.
Wait.
I know. Yes, who are Kotokube, Obi or Quatra Quine, or G say, and a yes say, and your Brazil 2014, the free Ankara. Mobilio.
Guarantee from the Development Bank Ghana and the Ghana Incentive-Based Risk Sharing System for Agricultural.
I can't find the rest. I was devastated because before this tournament,
yes, don't be emotional, honorable. Don't be emotional. Relax.
Who to end this for somebody emotional?
He's bringing the cap. Don't be emotional. Do you need 2 minutes, counsel? Do you need 2 minutes break? Don't be emotional, okay? Don't be. Don't be.
Please don't cry. Please don't cry.
Relax, honorable. No, relax.
Please don't cry.
Honorable, relax. Wait, we are helping Mother Ghana.
Please don't cry.
Helping Mother Ghana. Don't worry. Relax.
Mr. Free Ankara is expected to reappear on.
Please don't cry.
Meanwhile, Brian Champong, Balawashi. So whatever there's a she, there's a bow. Yakwaya by election. Ya tutu kunkunipa. Now wait to me a quarter commission and Makata. Yes, Mr. Chair, I ordered.
Wait.
Wow. Wenzu.
Please don't cry.
Onu awama ya boni patu o na pre wo. Wenzu kube ho na fi yankra kosu kube. Your community power and so NDC, we are weak.
Manua Sima Yakuni.
Wait, sir. I interviewed Honorable Peter Amewu. Tamaname Wadum. As a Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Now the two only are there tatano.
Wait.
Me interview Papa close to 1 hour. Who be send a question I know dear you very emotional. Now I say Peter Amewu, Wenzu.
Manua Sima Yakuni.
Abujinapo, Ebeye minister. Ono so betina ho ba share. galamsey jiatese interview sakasia akwai wansu wey amabu anko abaya no ndi 1 year wey me ana me wafa amabu me pede metimi akala sa presenter bi antimi nka hu September so yebekwa koye nkroma first ye me pede metimi aka amabu asem September so yebekwa wosre be ase trase mo wosre
Okay. 1 me.
And this is weak. When him say politics say you kroma no. And this is for no me that the bees. What that who da? How many that the bees with hard labor? Hey! Na mama mo video no. Mama. Wait! Producer watch up wait. Call. Yeah.
Please don't cry.
We shall rescue our country. I feel terribly sad today.
That was emotional.
Please don't cry.
You know, I watched that video after the operations. I watched that video, and every time I watch it, I get emotional.
No!
I cannot believe it.
When I say, why? I was emotional.
We need to rescue this country.
Why are you crying? Why were you crying?
I feel terribly sad.
Because of what?
I feel terribly sad.
Me na mi so TV so ma fia. And you so asana mi so. Me minister. Wait! Me minister mi so. Me join na me mama wa mo boss eh.
Me wo. Okay.
Na ma boss wa kwotna ho. Galamsey. Kwabena di excavator. Or the champagne. Or the mercury. Or the cyanide. Essential kumlipa. Cause I know as it is and this is weak.
I feel terribly sad today.
But yes, now hot. Mamun Kosunya weak is a now because a sooner and the Sunday when Yamioba, Yamio, a 3 year Yamia, Amabua, Yamioba, Yamio Concro Swaba, may you sure say enter apostles of unity or before.
Please don't cry.
We shall rescue our country.
Abaya did some four casa four at the Pentecost time. Now, no, can't answer some phone or to baby or dinner. Sada the question necessary so Abayanism and the question I saw them chairman near Shapapananim. Nothing to a bush of war, Mamma Wabusum, so the enemy Pentecost chairman, Madame Pessamacasa or more, because I have met Tiffany. Because in the Mitchell, the old Sakana. But do Juba, wouldn't man catch it on there? Wouldn't buy a boy answer. Yes, you go pro, Yamio, Uncle. What do you mean by a boy? You can't so much like a form of his head, but that's smart yet. Mercedes, I mean, you by the same tone. And the same tone, Mafia, Yamiaja, a free young Krakosu, Yamioba, Amabua. Na fe nyame hom konkro na mu na Yesu di ne ja no chief of staff na mu na ye di ja no bo video no me he
I feel terribly sad.
Ba onu so kwaso Adam like
Madam Vice President, may God continue to bless you. But the chairman of our church, you know, myself, Honorable Elder Obusuampofo, our local government minister, and several others are members of your church. A few days ago, one of our colleagues, Dr. Mariawusi, slipped a bit against you. And I want on this occasion to commemorate my birthday, to let the whole church forgive us.
I feel terribly sad.
And I want on this occasion to commemorate my birthday.
Please don't cry.
Let the whole church forgive us.
Please don't cry.
It was just a slip.
Please don't cry.
It was intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children.
I feel terribly sad.
Please don't cry.
We shall rescue us. I feel terribly sad.
Really? Hold on, producer GH with us. Yeah, Mafia. I love Julius. That Olususa Medono. Julius. I
feel terribly sad.
I am just trying to tell you something about orchestrated sabotage. That you yourself being sabotaged. You are crying for who? The person sabotaging you. Sammy to an Jabby, sabotage me. Name to one me head Jabby. No, I GF in some. Let me hear no. Let me toss out my hair. No, I bet you my rent as a call. I'm about to. You don't sit down and watch people sabotage you to the core.
Adam Lankasama, you're born.
And this is muy weak.
I saw them.
As soon. When was America president to be Suda?
Madam and Eve.
When was America Secretary of State to be Suda? Hey, you know my say. Yeah, to soon. Now, soon. And do so Yamuna Modebai. And I am no Peter. GH, hold on. NDC party won't. Between Yamis and the party, Papa says, Ogana. Wait. Upa Yenya list of achievements. Apart from Kwame Nkrumah, Accra International Airport, NPP Airport way. Wait. Our Kaswan Pacho, NPP Airport no, our Kaswa. Wait. Kwame Nkrumah Airport, Tete Pansam here. Sanya Mahama, Kenya Airport, Papa Mahama. And obey Terminal 2. And no, ya wako kate son. Obey Biaka home. Mewa. Okay. Young calculate, young county universities are. Lego, Kwame Nkrumah, Ken University, Kwame Nkrumah, UCC, Kwame Nkrumah, Asante. Wait. Akufo Addo Papa Bedi President Nkrumah. 3-unit classroom block for NCB. 3-unit classroom block when CB. Buzi Abedi President Nkrumah. 2-unit classroom block UP for no CB. UDS. Senior Rollins can the whole northern part of our country can invest in New York.
Cathedral not the Aquabias.
That's what I see here. NBC.
Cathedral not the Aquabias.
University of Allied Sciences was a then and way. And I was to whichever. Voter, Baku Eastern Region, Baku, Bronga Hafo.
Cathedral not the
environmental NPP University will come in here. University man NPP.
Cathedral not the Aquabias.
Huh? University man, I walk from her. I will bet me a Kwabena Bobra. NPP. After County Regional Hospital. Rage. And I brought Funa by an Ubusima. And a Mahamadu Bawumia said, no. I brought Funa Bessie. Yes, yet na hospital Papa Mua. And a Mahama. At Rage. No, see, come on. Kojo Kyeremanteng. NPP by an Akufo Addo, Ken Ofori Atta. One by no Bula. Polyclinic in a Tróuble. Some cars are money go see 15 shop.
Na otina na donka.
We free get Accra. All polyclinics are working ha. What is he? It was Rawlings that introduced polyclinics into our health sector. NPP didn't require clinic clinica Mahama starting year one mabo na me ame wo fam Kweku Annan menu dimrika kwa ye ori na to na mabo polyclinic
Wait.
Who kwa Cape Costa NPP hospital o say original hospital ho ye de here na hospital dada and the Rollins ko see here na the contractor no be see here in Tabeti e din to so me boa okay if you kwesimintim hospital na si wono why they see here Rollins NDC
Wait.
Confanochi teaching hospital Kwame Nkrumah na see here contractor do no ba na friend G etini ya friend Kumasi G
na wo akasa be mu difference no
hospital say wo Kumasi je hin na MPPC
Ojai.
And they here yɛnti yansi ase ye kosi maternity mumu se ma ye wu ase so ade be boy ye be wo mo no and MPP ko ye si Kumasi say mo de munya hwenya cause the post t-shirt ne ye pe Kumasi ye she t-shirt wi ne ye wura ne ye ro na beda nyem for maternity.
I'm telling you before
Pacho
like I could have killed her.
Kumawu when they see
Wait.
Bahama NDC
If it was my son.
Basine yanko military hospital na wo Kumasi no when they see Mahama NDC Saria NDC Mahama Bekwai NDC Mahama Korongo NDC Mahama Tepa NDC Mahama
Cathedral no dia kwen bi aso besi
afei demesin ko Rollins they see whole regional hospital Rollins is Syria Nana do ba power diabroni Nana do onso obesu sadina diade na firi wusam
Cathedral no dia kwen
and so ye twa for nation Nasuni
Ojai.
Uchu muche Aba ya no bas road din to twe ye Tuna Volta Regional Hospital Shune Osama sisedi ni why and then my head teaching hospital makwana na mho na nsenya aba
Cathedral no dia kwen
we teaching hospital edin ye sesan
Wait.
Kana to wasa Sunyane the capital of the Bronga Hafo before ye ba benya mu 16 regions you know the hospital is wo oni mo he Rollins the see oba ya Osama sisano Sunyane teaching hospital Kofodia baya ya sabia MPP the see huh technical universities are and what Ghana na MPP see one po me na NDC for the see
Mayana manye
yay a quite papa be a Washington region NDC na yay
someone
na do buy no so obo Asante no Atafua bridge
Wait.
Atafua bridge Swear God we mo e mo ko for me na e ti wo mutum adentra o ma ko twa hospital no Mahamadu CC for me na
Ojai.
NDC
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.